What is that?
What else did you get? What else is in there? Okay, do you see any trucks in there? A ball. A ball.
Alright, look.
Do you see any trucks?
Look at that.
Ooh.
Look. Look what the Easter Bunny left you.
Did the Easter Bunny get you anything else? Did you get any books from the Easter Bunny? What else is in there? Find out. Look, what else?
Look, more trucks. Wow.
And cookies. Phone. You got, oops. Look at all these books the Easter Bunny got you.
Look at this. Look at this truck.
He's like, all I care about is the ball. How does this open? Whoa, what's in there?
What is that? Open it. What is that stuff? Say candy.
Can you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
Say thank you.
You want to play with some of your trucks?